Between the ages of 3 and 5, children are growing ever more confident and curious with their learning. So how can you help their progress carry on away from the classroom? Luckily, everything you need to keep your excitable 3 to 5-year-old entertained and engaged is right here. From amazing activities for 3-year-olds at home to fun educational games for 5-year-olds, we've got a host of wonderful resources just a click away. All of our parent guides and resources have been lovingly created by experienced early years practitioners and hand-selected for you to support your child's learning at home. Each of our sections are colour-coded, which should help you to find exactly what you're looking for. Just like in the national curriculum, our sections are broken down into the different areas of learning, such as literacy, mathematics, and communication. Simply choose an area of learning for your child. Click into that category and explore the range of activities we have just for you. These activities include Play-Doh mats to healthy recipes, interactive games to ebooks, maths games and phonics flashcards, and all things art and role play. We have it here at Twinkl. Once you've found an activity, game or guide that suits your needs, click on the resource and press Download Now. Print off a resource or download it as a PDF to view on your smart device. You and your child are now ready to go, so explore and have some fun!